In this video, I will explain spooling in a simple way. First, the definition. Spooling stands for Simultaneous Peripheral Operations Online. It is a process in which data is stored in a queue and then sent to a device, like a printer one by one. Spooling is present in both Windows and Linux operating systems. In Windows, it is handled by the Spooler service, and in Linux it is done by systems like cups. In both operating systems, it helps in handling multiple print jobs efficiently. It is an automatic process, meaning the operating system works in the background without user control. However, users can still check the spool queue to see which jobs are running or waiting. How it works. When a user sends a print command, the job is not sent directly to the printer. Instead, it is stored in a spool queue on the disk. If multiple jobs are sent, they are lined up in the queue. The printer then takes one job at a time and processes it. This allows the user to continue working without waiting for printing to finish. Spooling improves system performance because it allows multitasking. While one job is printing, the system can accept new jobs and store them in the queue. Let's see by examples. Spooling is like a queue at a ticket counter. People line up and each person is served in turn. Similarly, print jobs are processed in order. Also, spooling is like vehicles at a traffic signal. Cars stop and wait in a line, and when the signal turns green, they move in sequence. In the same way, print jobs are processed in order. To conclude, spooling is a valuable feature of operating systems that helps organize slow devices efficiently by using a queue system. In Windows, you can check the spool queue by going to Settings, then Printers and Scanners, or by using the Control panel and opening Devices and Printers. From there, simply open your printer to view the queue. In Linux, you can check the spool queue using commands like lpq or lpstat in the shell, or by opening the cup's web interface at http://localhost:631 in your browser. Spooling can be sped up using RAM by storing spool data in memory, such as a RAM disk in Windows or TMPFS in Linux. Spooling is independent of printer type and works the same for laser and inkjet printers because it is controlled by the operating system. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.